Seat belts keep you safe, but can become dirty from dust, sweat, and spills over time. Using mild household cleaners and gentle cleaning techniques is the fastest and safest way to remove grime without damaging the seat belt fabric. Soapy water is one of the safest and most effective solutions for cleaning dirty seat belts. It gently removes dirt, stains and body oils without damaging the seat belt fabric. To clean dirty seat belts using soapy water, pull the seat belt out as far as it will go and secure it with a clip or clamp to prevent it from retracting. Fill a bucket with warm water and a small amount of mild laundry detergent or dish soap. Place the extended seat belt into the bucket, keeping the retractor mechanism out of the water, and let the belt soak for 20 to 30 minutes to loosen dirt and stains. After soaking, gently scrub the webbing with a soft brush or microfiber cloth, then wipe it with a clean, damp towel to remove any soap residue. Finally, pat the seat belt dry with a clean towel and allow it to air dry completely before letting it retract back into the vehicle. White vinegar is a natural and effective cleaner for dirty seat belts. It helps break down grime, remove light stains, and eliminate unpleasant odors without using harsh chemicals. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a glass or small bowl, then add a few drops of liquid dish soap and stir well. Dip a soft microfiber cloth or soft bristle brush into the cleaning solution and gently scrub the seat belt from top to bottom, paying extra attention to stained or heavily soiled areas. Let the solution sit for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen dirt and neutralize odors. Next, rinse the seat belt with clean water to remove any remaining solution and residue. Finally, pat the seat belt dry with a clean towel and allow it to air dry completely before letting it retract into the vehicle. To clean a seat belt with a water hose, pull the seat belt all the way out of the vehicle and close the car door on the belt to hold it securely in place, ensuring the retractor remains inside the car. Spray the exposed seat belt with a gentle stream of clean water from the hose, moving from top to bottom to rinse away loose dirt, dust, and surface debris. Once the belt is clean, pat it dry with a clean towel and allow it to air dry completely before letting it retract back into the vehicle. A fabric cleaner spray is a convenient and effective option for cleaning dirty seat belts. Spray the fabric cleaner evenly along both sides of the seat belt, making sure to cover any stained or dirty areas. Allow the cleaner to sit for 3 to 5 minutes to loosen dirt and grime. Then, gently scrub the belt with a soft bristle brush or microfiber cloth using light pressure. Wipe away the loosened dirt and any excess cleaner with a clean, damp cloth. Finally, dry the seat belt using a hair dryer or heat gun set to the lowest heat setting, keeping it several inches away from the webbing and moving it continuously to prevent overheating. Allow the belt to cool completely before letting it retract into the vehicle. Rubbing alcohol is a quick and effective way to remove dirt, grease, and stains from seat belts. It also disinfects the fabric and dries quickly, leaving the belt clean and fresh. To clean a seat belt with rubbing alcohol, spray a light, even coat of rubbing alcohol onto both sides of the seat belt, focusing on dirty or stained areas. Gently scrub the webbing with a soft bristle brush to loosen dirt, grease, and grime without damaging the fabric. Next, fold a clean towel over your hand and place the seat belt flat against the towel. Slowly move a handheld steamer along the length of the seat belt, allowing the steam to pass through the webbing while the towel absorbs loosened dirt and excess moisture. Leave the seat belt fully extended until it is completely dry, then release it so it can retract smoothly into its housing. To clean car seat belts with an all-purpose cleaner spray, apply a light, even coat of the cleaner to both sides of the seat belt, paying special attention to dirty or stained areas. Allow the cleaner to sit for 2 to 5 minutes so it can break down dirt, grease, and grime. Next, gently scrub the seatbelt webbing with a car seatbelt cleaning brush, using light, even strokes from top to bottom. Focus on stained or heavily soiled areas, allowing the soft bristles to lift embedded dirt and grime from the fabric. Wipe the seatbelt thoroughly with a clean, damp cloth to remove the cleaner and loosened residue. Finally, dry the seatbelt with a clean towel or use a hair dryer on the lowest heat setting. Then allow it to air dry completely before letting it retract into the vehicle. With proper care, your seatbelts will remain clean, fresh, and ready to provide reliable protection whenever you drive.